everybody, welcome, welcome. I am really excited to share something with you today. This is my first digital kit that I'm going to have in my Etsy store, and it's an Asian themed kit and it's colorful and I love it. There are 3 decorative pages. The first one is a blue theme, the second one is a red theme, and the third is a green theme. Then we have 3 journal pages that are a little more neutral in tone. This is the second. And I put a saying on 2 of them. This one is wabi sabi, which is Japanese. The beauty and appreciation of things imperfect and impermanent, accepting the flow of life. And this one is be not afraid of going slowly, be afraid of standing still. Then the third journal page is very simple. Then we have 3 envelopes, and one in each of the color groups. Let me see if I can turn that this way. Obviously you cut it out along the lines, but this would be, the front of it straight on. And this is the blue one, and this is the red. Then we have 3 tags that come in the kit, 3 plain journal cards. You can also make these into pockets. And then I have a sheet of Japanese proverbs and some kanji symbols. And then we have 3 pages of ephemera. So I'm going to turn it so that you can see all the pieces. I think there's 14 pieces total. This is the picture from one of the journal pages. And that's it. So that's the kit. And I'm going to have another video. Hopefully I'm going to post it right after this one. And this is the journal I made. It's a soft-cover journal. And I feature the kit inside this journal. So stay tuned. And thanks for watching. Bye.